Where souls meet. The more you understand about any subject, the more interesting it becomes. As you read this article, you'll find that the subject of human beings meeting in soul is certainly no exception. This is done in several ways. You can do this as you care for a dying loved one. You can do this in putting a band-aid on a child who is hurt. You can do this when you offer forgiveness to someone who has harmed you. You essentially do this anytime you reach out to help someone in need. You meet in soul when a baby is born. You meet in soul each moment of living when you remember who you are. Truthfully, the only difference between you and the so-called gurus is time. If you'll invest a little more time in reading and living, you'll be that much closer to maturity status when it comes to living in soul. Learning how to live in soul requires reflective analysis and the ability to learn from your mistakes. In so doing, we gain in wisdom through remembering who we really are. The instant we remember we are souls having a human experience creates in us a journey into what is most sacred to us. This is the key to maturing in soul. Insight means to see from within. The moment you begin to see through your eyes and not just with them makes you a visionary. A visionary follows his or her dreams or inner visions within them. This is an act in faith as though something is already here before it arrives. At this point, you begin to put into place the details of your overall vision through yourself and others. If your inner vision involves helping someone, yourself, or something die, you will need to draw much of your attention inward. This will enable you to create a vision that will help someone or yourself find comfort in becoming more soul than body over time. If your task is to help something or an event die, your job is to transform this experience into something different. Nothing stays the same. We are all in transformation. Transformation means to go beyond form. It is out of the formless all things become form. Every one of us have this capacity. Somehow, in the midst of change and sharing our joys and our sorrows, our hearts meet to care. This is the level of soul care and soul healing not meant to be understood, but rather, embraced. Here our souls meet and come to fulfill a purpose and a destiny. Hopefully the sections above have contributed to your understanding of souls meeting one another. Share your new understanding about where souls meet with others. They'll thank you for it.